Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to take a look at this exponential function that we have here. So we want to evaluate 3 raised to 17 divided by 27, all in bracket raised to 17 plus 3. So now from here, we believe that 27 equals 3 raised to power 3. So we can substitute that here. We are going to have it to be 3 raised to 17 divided by 3 raised to power 3. Then we are going to have this to be equals 17 plus 3. Now, according to law of indices, when we have a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, so far they have the same base. We have a here. Now we can subtract. According to that law, we need to subtract their power. We have it to be a raised to m minus n. So we are going to have it to be this. Now let's apply this law here. We have 3. This one raised to 17, square root of 17. This one raised to 3. So now we can write this to be equals 3 raised to 17 minus 3. We can have it to be like this because they have the same base, 3 and 3 here. So we have it to be like this back again. We have our root of 17 plus 3. Now, according to law of indices again, when we have a raised to power m, all in bracket raised to power n, we can have this to be equals a raised to m multiplied by n. We can have this one to be this again. So in that case, we have square root of 17 minus 3, square root of 17 plus 3, which implies that we are going to have it to be 3 raised to square root of 17 minus 3 and square root of 17 plus 3. So from here, what we are going to have now will be, we need to open the bracket of this. Now let us use this expression that says when we have a square minus b square, it equals a minus b and a plus b. So from here, this one implies that we have square root of 17 minus 3 and we have square root of 17 plus 3 equals, we take this one to be a square root of 17 all square minus 3 square. And we believe that this will cancel this out. When this one cancel this one out, what we are going to have will be 17. 3 square will now be 9. So therefore, will now be 17 minus 9 will be equals 8. So going back to this place, what we are going to have will be 3 raised to power 8. And we believe that 3 raised to power 8 is the same thing as when you say this one will be equals 6 5 6 1. So for more examples, we can also try this one. Likewise, when we have something like this, we believe that 8 equals 2 raised to power 3. So now from here we have 2 raised to power, we have it to be square root of 7 divided by 2 raised to power 3. Then we have everything to be raised to 7 plus 3. Now, according to the law of indices, we can have this to be equals 2 raised to power 7. Now, this one will now be 2 raised to power 3 raised to square root of 7 plus 3. Now, from here, they have the same base. We can have it to be 2 raised to power square root of 7 minus 3. Then this one will now be equal square root of 7 plus 3. So from here, we believe that we can rewrite it back again as square root 2 raised to power square root of 7 minus 3 multiplied by this square root of 7 plus 3. So from here, when we try to multiply this, we believe that it will be equivalent to when you say 2 raised to power square root of 7 all square minus 3 square. And this will be equivalent to 2 raised to power, this square, we cancel this square root. We have it to be 2 raised to power 7 minus 9. And this will be equivalent to 2 raised to power minus 2. And again, according to law of indices, when we have a raised to power minus m equivalent to 1 divided by a raised to power m. So from here also, it implies that 2 raised to power minus 2 will be equals 1 divided by 2 raised to power 2. And this will be equals 1 divided by 4. Bye.